When we imagine wolves, many of us picture a lone silhouette standing on a snowy hill, howling under the moonlight. It looks poetic, mysterious, and solitary. But here is the scientific truth that often surprises people: wolves almost never choose to live alone. In reality, wolves are among the most social mammals in the wild, and their survival depends on one powerful idea: the pack. Before we begin, if you enjoy stories that explore nature through science and curiosity, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you calm, thoughtful stories like this one. Now, let us step back in time. Long before cities, before agriculture, before humans understood cooperation on a large scale, wolves were already mastering it. Evolution did not give wolves sharp claws like big cats or overwhelming size like bears. Instead, nature gave them something far more valuable: the ability to work together. A single wolf, no matter how strong, struggles to survive in harsh environments. Food is unpredictable, winters are unforgiving, and injuries can mean death. But when wolves form a pack, everything changes. Suddenly, hunting becomes more efficient. Protection becomes stronger. Raising the next generation becomes possible. From a scientific perspective, pack living is not an emotional choice. It is a biological strategy shaped by natural selection. Wolves that cooperated survived longer, raised more offspring, and passed on their genes. Wolves that tried to live alone often disappeared from the evolutionary story. In this episode, we will explore why wolves live in such tightly bonded packs. Using insights from biology, ecology, and animal behavior science. We will look at how their brains evolved for cooperation, how hormones strengthen social bonds, and how pack structure reduces conflict rather than creating it. This is not a myth, not a fairy tale, and not a romantic idea. It is a system refined over tens of thousands of years. And as we will discover, the wolf pack may be one of nature's most successful social designs. So take a deep breath, settle in, and let us begin this journey into the science behind the wolf pack. From a biological standpoint, wolves belong to a category known as social predators. This means their hunting success depends not on individual strength, but on coordination, communication, and shared effort. The primary prey of wolves consists of large herbivores such as deer, elk, and bison. These animals are fast, strong, and often dangerous. A lone wolf would waste enormous energy trying to hunt such prey and would risk serious injury. In contrast, a pack allows wolves to divide roles during a hunt. Some individuals chase, others flank, while a few wait for the right moment to strike. This division of labor significantly increases success while reducing risk. Energy efficiency is a key concept in ecology. Every action an animal takes must balance energy spent versus energy gained. Studies show that pack hunting allows wolves to gain more calories per individual compared to solitary hunting. This efficiency is one of the strongest evolutionary reasons pack behavior persists. But hunting is only part of the story. Wolf packs also function as family units. Contrary to outdated beliefs, the so-called alpha wolf is usually not a violent dictator. Modern research reveals that most packs are led by a breeding pair. Essentially the parents, with their offspring forming the rest of the group. This family structure reduces aggression and creates stability. Wolf pups are born helpless. They require constant care, protection, and teaching. In a pack, not only the parents but also older siblings participate in raising the young. This cooperative breeding system dramatically increases pup survival rates. From an evolutionary perspective, helping relatives survive still passes shared genes into the future. Neuroscience adds another layer to this story. Wolves have highly developed social cognition. Their brains are adapted to recognize individuals, remember social relationships, and respond appropriately to pack members. Hormones such as oxytocin, often associated with bonding, play a major role in reinforcing trust and cooperation within the group. Communication is equally critical. Wolves rely on body language, facial expressions, vocalizations, and scent marking to maintain social order. These signals reduce misunderstandings and prevent unnecessary conflict. A stable pack wastes less energy on internal struggles and focuses more on survival. Interestingly, wolves that are forced to live alone often exhibit higher stress levels, poorer health, and shorter lifespans. Science shows that for wolves, isolation is not freedom. It is a biological disadvantage. When viewed through ecology, neurobiology, and evolution, the wolf pack emerges not as a symbol of dominance, but as a system of cooperation optimized by nature. As the night settles in and the forest grows quiet, the wolf pack begins to move again. Not as individuals, but as a single coordinated presence. Each member knows its place, not because of fear, but because the system works. Science teaches us that the wolf pack is not built on aggression, but on balance. Cooperation reduces risk. Shared responsibility strengthens survival. Clear roles minimize conflict. These principles are not emotional ideas, they are biological solutions. The reason wolves have survived ice ages, environmental changes, and competition with other predators is not because they are the strongest or the fastest. It is because they understand something fundamental about life: together is better than alone. In a way, the wolf pack mirrors many aspects of human society. Families, communities, and civilizations thrive not through isolation, but through cooperation and shared purpose. Nature discovered this long before humans did. As we reflect on the quiet intelligence of wolves, we are reminded that survival is rarely about domination. More often, it is about connection. Thank you for spending this time with us. If you found this story calming or insightful, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It truly helps us continue creating thoughtful content like this. Now, let the night grow quiet. Let your thoughts slow down. And wherever you are, may you rest well. Good night, and sleep peacefully.